How's it going, investors? Welcome to Capital Gains. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at what is the best casino stock. As you guys know, the dip has really taken a toll on every form of business out there. Cruise lines, airlines, home goods, retail goods, REITs, supposedly safe dividend stocks. It took down Coke, it took down Pepsi, it took down everybody. But who was hit pretty hard too? It was the casinos. And today I want to talk about why I love casino stocks. Second, which ones are the best in my opinion? And third, where am I investing in and where do I see the most potential gains right now? Today is actually May 29th. Stock market is closed. So we have until June 1st when we can reopen the stock market and, continue trading, continue investing. Here I am on finviz.com where I'm looking at the most popular stock companies in the casino business, and I will personally let you know that I have been doing really well with these stocks. My favorite right here, number 5, Caesars, CZR, Caesars Entertainment. I was able to ride this bad boy from $4.40 all the way to $11.11. I believe that's where I sold off. It's been having a great fight. It's a champ. It's a champion. You see right here, like I said, I bought it at $4.40. I rode it all the way up. I made 150% on the stock. But here's the saddest thing ever, and I hope I can get some consolidances in the chat or something. I don't know what the heck. I just feel really upset. I only bought 10 shares. Yeah. That's how whack I was. I only bought 10 shares. I bought more of MGM, but a little bit around my average stock price of $11, $12. And then I rode that bad boy up to $16. I sold off a little early before we touched the $18 mark. I did not ride the pen wave. I saw it doing really good. You can see this huge curve upwards. Of course, when I saw it going up and up, I was a little upset compared to my holding of MGM. And I did get on the train ride for ERI on the back of it. I made some good money right here. So casino stocks have been doing amazing for me. They're recovering well. How I see them is you have to really look at the value that these companies have. I think in order to invest in a proper company, as you can see, there's many different LVS, Las Vegas Sands Corp, Caesars, like I said, MGM, all these other ones. And on the second page, we have Wang, one of the most expensive ones. I believe Wang is at, I was going to say 11 billion, but it's 9.5, and it's pretty expensive. Going forward, June 1st, where would I put my money? Well, actually, a lot of these, as you can see, they rode the wave back up. I wouldn't be surprised if I saw them pull back a little bit, maybe a little bit overvalued. Maybe they found their true value. So I don't see potential gains for a quick profit. Maybe MGM, you see, as you can see, maybe it wants to go back up to 30. That's why, honestly, I was writing MGM, because I was like, oh, what if we go back to 30? But after doing more deeper analysis, obviously, knowing that we're in a different economy, we're in a different times, we're in a different world, I had to sell off. I was really, really scared for a dip, and I wanted to lock in gains. What I'm personally doing is I let go of casino stocks so I can raise money. I was waiting for a little bit of a pullback. Never saw it happen. I haven't seen it happen. They just have kept going up. So like I said, I missed out on a little bit of more money. But all right, guys. So you have to understand that all these companies, all these casino resorts and casinos, especially the resorts end of it, they have to have people come into their resort to make the money. And that's why I am switching over to online gambling. Yes. So one of our champs is DraftKings. This week, it has doing phenomenal. Oh, wow, $40. Who called it? Oh, my gosh. I saw some people saying calls for $40. They must be very happy campers today. $40 finally met. I saw this since Monday. I knew it. Here's the saddest thing. Don't be like me. Don't just like, oh, it's at $30. I guess I'll wait for it. It's like at 31, 32. I'll wait for it to come down to 30. It never came down. It went up. So I missed this ride. But the point of this video is meaning I'm going away from resorts personally. Online gambling, it's going to take off. The more states allow online gambling, the more these companies are going to dominate. DraftKings, my champ, the love of my life, is again GMBL. I keep saying gamble, but it's esports entertainment. Gambling specifically for esports, $9.03 today. Today went up 63%. I invested yesterday. Oh my gosh. But you're not late to the train, in my opinion. The market cap is still low. There's still so much potential. Esports is expanding once they get, approved in more states to be able to gamble, and esports is growing. The industry is going to keep going. As you can see, it's dominating a lot of the actual physical casinos and resorts. I feel like they had their wave. Now the next wave is going to be online gambling. So that's where I'm putting my money at. I'm gambling on that. Remember, investing, smart investing is like holding for the long run, or, we'll eventually get to 20, like this company should grow, quote unquote. But we're in really volatile times, so I think in stock investing right now is gambling, in my opinion. So hey, why not gamble on GB? Why not gamble on gamble? I told myself. Esports entertainment. Like I said, online betting. So this is one of the champs that I'm holding, and another one that I'm holding, of course, more online gambling. It's not a physical resort. It's GAN 2245. It went up today beautifully at a staggering and amazing total of almost 23%. Almost 24%. Market cap is still low. I talked about this in another video if you want more of an analysis of what it is. And when I bought at $18.60 average, I believe. So I truly believe this one can double. Also, market cap going for $1 billion. As you know, right now we're in tough times. People are, the more people get desperate, the more they do, I would say, dumb things like gamble in really bad odds. And the casinos have the house towards them, so of course some people are going to show up, but others, they're not going to have the money to go and be able to enjoy the resorts end of it. They really just want to go to the casinos part. But bringing the casinos to the comfort of your home are these stocks, these ticker symbols, GAN, Gamble, GMBL for esports, and DraftKings is another one. So I'm not ruling any of them out. I don't want to be biased on like, oh no, this one. I'm just telling you what I'm holding, and the reason why is because I was able to catch it earlier. Honestly, I still see them growing, in my opinion. I will see where we go next week. Amazing. We're gonna start off June. If you want to do well in June, if you want to buy and hold, honestly, I would go towards now the online gambling, online casino stocks instead of that. So physical ones, they rode their wave up. They look pretty strong now. I wouldn't be surprised seeing them start trading sideways, or just trying to find a new home between 10 to 14, and Caesars, MGM, between 15 to 20. If they go up to 25, well, so be it. GG on everyone who's holding MGM and everything else. I'm not going to go through each stock. I believe the best way to invest in a company, into a ticker, is obviously doing your own research and having a strong belief to why you truly believe that this company is worth more or will go up in value over time. I know some of these casinos already have some online gambling. Some of them don't, so that leaves them opportunity to continue growing. That's up to you to figure out, find out. Hey, Caesars does not have an online gaming platform, and once they do, they're going to put their name on it, their logo, and people are going to go on it. That leaves room for growth. I made that up as an example. I don't know if that's true or not. I would probably look into it myself. That was not advice or news. That was just an example of looking for opportunities for a company where it can grow and expand, and its stock symbol to go up. Remember, guys, I follow one person that I love to listen to. You guys know him, the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, and he has an amazing podcast where it's not necessarily stock market investing related, it's more entrepreneurship related, but obviously he has insight and a good here and there golden nuggets in his podcast about the stock market. And he says you buy on speculation, you sell on the news, because once the news comes out and the results come out, people are going to dump it, or they're going to the news will rely more on dumping and speculation. People dream, and that's where stock prices, they soar, like I've been mentioning. I'm also maybe I'm dreaming, GML, they soared today. So why, what made them soar today? I don't know. But all I do know is I'm riding the wave. I love it. 60% ROI, real fast. I love it. Like I said, in my personal opinion, online casino stocks are the way to go. The physical resort, they've done their part. I was already riding their back. Now it's time for me to ride somebody else's back. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shout out to Caesars for, remember, that 150% ROI. Shout out to MGM. I believe at the end of the day, I got like a 30. GLPI, oh, that's another one I had, but that was on properties. But that's for another day. GLPI was another stock that I was holding and did pretty well on. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments, did this give you a new insight, a new way of looking at things? Again, stocks is really about predicting where it's going to go. It's not really like, it's really hard to tie the price, the valuation of a company and all this other jibber jabber right now with all this volatility, commodity. It's really about speed and movements and predicting where the masses are going to go. I'm predicting that the masses, once they find out about esports entertainment, online gambling for esports, this symbol we'll be looking at an $18 $20 per stock. And like I said, I'm an early investor. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I just gave you guys reasons why I am not holding the actual resorts of casinos. Maybe later on in the future, maybe we have another dip, maybe these stocks will go down another 30%, another 20%. Then I'm going to be back in there buying them, long holding them, once I find a better value to buy a good amount of these physical casinos. And by physical, I mean, like, again, resorts and where they have more overhead. I will visit them. I love gambling. Maybe go play some crabs. Ooh, oh no, now I want to go play crabs. There's something to it about also being at the actual physical resort, but right now I don't want to. Things are crazy. What if fix the beer bug and I go ASAP? So and not everything's back to normal. So I'm just predicting what's the best. Subscribe, comment, I don't know, subscribe. New videos giving you guys more options into the stock market so you guys can make money. Have a great day.